Hey Plant Pals, it's Mike the Cat Gardener, and today's video is going to be an experiment. I'm going to see if I can grow the spinach strawberry plant in this self-watering container. I just removed a plant. I was growing a microtom cherry tomato in it. I'm going to get rid of it. Well, as far as I'm going to dig through, make sure there's no roots left in here. I'm going to clean the water out, make sure there's no algae left in there. This top part comes off the base here. I'm going to get some new hydroponic fluid, and my pepper plant, which is doing very well. I cut an extra hole in the bottom here, and I have, let's see if I can show it. There's a string hanging down. Well, on my pepper plant, I have two strings hanging down, and I want to see if that works better. So I'm going to remove this soil, clean this bottom out, sift through the soil, make sure there's nothing unwanted. This is just perlite, cocoa coir, and vermiculite. So there's no actual like earth type dirt inside of it. And the way this works is the strings wick down into the solution, the hydroponic solution, and that's where it's getting its food and nutrition. Isn't from the soil, it's getting it from the hydroponic solution, because this is just an inert medium. This is basically, I could plant this, I could have this nothing but just rocks, and it would wick up the fluid so that the roots of the plant get their nutrition. It also prevents, if you keep this dry, it prevents the fungus gnats from growing inside your house. But in order to start it, it's a process where I have to moisten the soil for the seeds, and I'm going to cover it with saran wrap. And then once the plant starts growing, I'll remove the saran wrap, and then I'll put foil down around the plant so that it prevents the fungus gnats from getting in contact with the moist soil. And we'll see how it does. Again, this is just an experiment. It might fail miserably, it might be great. We shall see. Alrighty, I will have you follow along with me. Okay, I have this unit broken down here. There's the top. I drilled some extra holes to put the string through. This is the bottom where the plant food solution goes. And here is my soil and the old string and some screen. So I'm going to put the string through the holes here, and then put the screen on top of that, put the soil, fake soil, that's not soil, back on top of that, and we'll get the plant, spinach strawberry seed planted and watered in, and we'll see from there. I'll keep you updated. Okay, so I took the strawberry seeds, the strawberry spinach seeds rather, and I put it in this self-watering container, and I put plastic wrap over the top to keep any fungus gnats or anything out while the soil is still moist so that the plant can germinate. And once it does, it'll be fine because it'll dry out the top, and it will be getting the liquid from these little ropes down here. A little bit of soil did get in there, but that happens. It's not a big deal, and it's not soil. It's just cocoa coir, perlite, and vermiculite. And I used a wire tie just to keep the plastic wrap on for now. And I can loosen it. I can spray moisture underneath it if I don't think it's getting enough. But it looks like there's condensation already on the top, so I think we're good. All right, I will report back as soon as anything happens. Alrighty.